Okay, boys and girls, we are going to go over our new vocabulary for our story. Actually, we're going to be reading a very long poem. Now, what we're going to do is this week we have a sheet that looks like this. And so what we're going to do is we're going to we have our word already written, and we're going to write our definition, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of time to draw a picture to go along with your word. Now, we have at the top, we have two words that we already did. We have the word desires and we have entry. So what we're going to do is we are going to write our definition for our word desires. So remember, the word desires is when you wish for certain things to happen. So desires is our first word. Desires is there. And desires, and this is what we're going to write. Desires are wishes, or certain things to happen. Okay, so we're going to write that. And we're not going to draw pictures yet. Yes?
Why don't we have Breezy and conductor?
On the other side, did you turn it over?
Oh.
Okay. So desire. So write that for our first word, because we've already gone over this word. Then remember, our next word was the word entry. Okay, we've gone over entry a few times. And if we remember, an entry is a short note. A short note in a diary or book. So that's what we're going to write. A short note in a diary or book. Yes?
Do you use that again?
Pardon?
Do you have to use that again?
No, because it's not a complete sentence. We don't have to put periods at the end because they're not they're not sentences. Oops. I'm losing my words here. Okay. Now your next word is the word steep, right? I want to make sure I have them in the right order. Steep. So here's a picture of steep. Now steep is an adjective. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. If a hill or mountain is steep, it is difficult to climb because it goes almost straight up. And here's my sentence. Don't write anything yet, because I'll write the definition for you. They rode their bikes down the steep mountain. Oh, here's my sentence. My grandmother's basement stairs were very steep, and I fell down them when I was little. Steep. Steep. Okay? Steep. Does anybody have experience with something that is steep? Yes. Ivy.
My downstairs stairs are really steep.
Are they steep? So instead of being like kind of a little gentle one, they're more like this, right? Yes, steep. Logan.
A ramp can be really steep.
Yes, a ramp can be steep. Yes.
My stairs going upstairs isn't that steep.
Oh, it's not that steep. That's good for you. Yes, Avery.
A body, like when you go to the water park, there could be a body slide.
Oh yes, some of the slides are very steep, aren't they? They look scary. Yes. Kelsey.
I think in Colorado, the mountains are steep.
Yes, some of the mountains are steep. Yes. Yes. In Colorado for sure.
So I came to Colorado and when we were going to the resort, we had to drive up the mountain. It was really steep.
Yes. Teddy?
I have three of them. Number one, when I was at Tennessee, I just know that the mountains are steep because I've seen them. And my grandma's basement stairs are steep. And my uncle's hill, he's got a hill between my grandma's neighbors.
Mhm.
It's really steep. It's like 10 feet tall too.
Really? Okay, so we're going to say if a hill or mountain is steep, it is difficult. You're going to have to write small. Because it goes straight up. So if a hill or mountain is steep, it is difficult to climb because it goes almost straight up. Steep. Everybody knows what steep looks like because we've all seen it, right? Everybody's seen something that looks steep. You're like, oh no, that is steep. I'm afraid that is going to be tricky to fit on those little lines. So you're going to have to be writing very small. We're going to have to do our small writing today. Teeny tiny writing. But in 3rd grade, we should be able to do teeny tiny writing. Okay, now, our next word number 4 is speed. Speed, and this is a verb. Now, if you speed, you move too fast. And here's our example sentence. The skater will speed past the others on the road. Okay. Sometimes, even though we're not supposed to, we speed down the hallway because we have to get someplace fast. Speed. Who's got a good sentence for the word speed? Teddy.
Well, on our way to Tennessee, my dad on the highway or something, I don't know, he's going over 100 miles an hour.
Oh no, over 100 miles an hour. Did he get a speeding ticket?
Nope.
Oh boy, he was lucky there. Libby, cover your nose.
When you race, you have to be speedy.
Yes. When you race, you have to be speedy. Yes. Ivy.
Sometimes some cars can be very speedy.
Yes, they can. Thomas.
My dad can speed past the traffic light.
Nice. Yes. Avery.
When you're on a bike, sometimes you can speed.
You can speed on your bike. Yes, Olive.
My sister has more speed than me on her bike.
Yes, good. Julianne, no? Logan.
My dad speeds a lot
Oh, he speeds a lot.
on the road.
On the road. We'll say you're just making up that sentence, right?
No,
Because
I'm
I'm sure.
not.
Oh, you're not. Okay. Go ahead. Elisa. Yes, the police officer stops the speeding car. Okay. And that's Elisa's dad and mom are both police officers, right? Okay. Number 4. So let's write the word speed. And it means you move too fast. And we're using the word too, T-O-O. Fast. That one we were able to fit easily. Oh, I know, so hard to fit in. Okay, that was a good one. That was a nice, easy one. Makes up for the long one we had to write before. And it evens itself out. Okay. Now, oh, we have a word that described how it was early. Well, it still is a little bit of this. Breezy. So breezy is an adjective. Oh, remember last year we learned that we can add Y to a word to make it into an adjective? So when it is breezy outside, you can feel the wind softly blowing. Breezy. So here's our example sentence. It is a breezy day, which is perfect for flying a kite. Breezy. So when it is breezy outside, my dog gets startled easily. Breezy. So can anybody else use a sentence with breezy in it? Juliana?
It is breezy outside today.
It is breezy outside today. So true story. Kelsey?
Yesterday was very breezy.
Yes, it was very breezy yesterday for sure. My little Halloween thing, I've got like this metal cat in a costume, fell over. I just left him laying there. He was just gonna blow over again. Yes, Jensen.
When you walk into a scary house, the breezy wind will shut the door.
That's right, it will, the breezy wind. Okay, so let's write. You can feel the wind, softly blowing wind. Let's write that, softly blowing wind. Breezy. Oh, I don't know. I think we can fit it though. Okay. Now we have one more. One more. And then I'm going to give you some time to draw some pictures and to color it. Because we have some other things we have to do. So now we're on. Our next word is the word conductor. Conductor is a noun, and it is a conductor directs a group of people who sing or play musical instruments. And here's our sentence. A music conductor makes sure that we are singing the right words at the right time. Conductor. When I was in high school and I was in band, our conductor would use his baton to keep the beat. Conductor. Okay? Can I get somebody to use the word conductor? Logan?
When you sneeze, you feel the breeze, and then it's with the conductor.
The conductor, okay. Libby, conductor. Very good, conductor. We're talking about a music conductor today, not a train conductor. Make sure we're spelling, oh, you're not having to write your words, that's good. So, a person who people. Who sing or play musical instruments.
This is a hard one. There's no one else to do.
Okay. There we go. Now, I'm going to want you to spend a few minutes drawing a nice picture because you're in 3rd grade. So I'm expecting something more than stick people.
Okay.
People with hair,
Got it.
people with bodies.
Does it have to be people with everything in the picture?
Well, no, but if you're drawing a person, I expect them to look like people,
Okay.
not like a 3-year-old drew them, which sometimes is what I get. Yes.
For Breezy, can I put end for Breezy?
It's up to you how you draw it, but I want it to look like a 3rd grader drew it. Yes. Yeah, sometimes the chairs are